Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Zoom Breakout Rooms. Ever been in a giant Zoom meeting where everyone talks at once and it sounds like a supermarket during a blackout sale? That's exactly why breakout rooms exist. Before you can use them, you first need to enable that feature on Zoom's website because the mobile or desktop app alone won't let you turn it on. Log into your Zoom account on the web, head to My Account, then go to Settings and open the Meeting tab. Scroll down to In Meeting Advanced and toggle on Breakout Rooms. Once that's enabled, start your Zoom meeting from the app or Zoom Workplace. During the meeting, click More and select Breakout Rooms. From there, choose how many rooms you want and whether participants get assigned automatically, manually, or can pick rooms themselves like choosing teams and gym class. Click Create, assign people if needed, then open all rooms to start the sessions. As the host, you can jump between rooms, send announcements to everyone, and close the rooms anytime to bring participants back into the main meeting once the discussion wraps up. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.